What's up, Cyberhawk? So in today's video, we're going to be deleting a resource group in Azure. It's actually pretty simple to actually do. So the first thing you want to do is go to portal.azure.com to go ahead and get to this point here. It should look something similar to this. Once you're here, just go to the top of the search bar and type in resource groups or resource. You should be able to see it pop up as one of the first services. And then from here, you'll have a list of your resource groups. On this one, we'll be deleting our U2 resource group 1. So let's go ahead and click on that. Once you actually click on it, you'll see this or something similar to this. And up here at the top, you can see this delete resource group. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, it said the following resource groups and all its dependent resources will be permanently deleted. So even if you have resources here, you can delete the resource group. If I'm kind of out on that, then let me know in the comments. But for me using it, you have been able to delete it. So you can either enter the resource group name, you can type it all in, or you can click the little copy to clipboard button and then just go down here and then just paste it. And yeah, either you type it or paste it there and then just hit delete, and then confirmation, yeah, delete. And then bam, it is currently deleting this resource group. Again, you would have to have the privileges, but if you have the privileges to delete, yeah, it's pretty quick, pretty simple. Now, another way you can actually delete resource groups is using like PowerShell, Python, etc. Using the my command line interface. I'm gonna do this live real quick with you guys. So go back to portal.azure.com. And then up at the top, you should see this little thing right here, little command prompt terminal. We're going to click that. And it's saying I have no storage mounted, so I guess we'll just store it on our subscription one. You can do it on whichever subscription that I guess you have your resources on, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go ahead and click on that. And I guess we'll have to wait maybe for about a minute or two. So we'll just let that, do a quick little zoom. All right, guys, so we're actually here now. It didn't take too long, maybe about like 40 seconds. And then we have our bash. Let's go ahead and go to PowerShell. And yeah, we can confirm that we're going to be switching over to PowerShell. All right, cool. And we actually have a prompt or a thing we can actually use. So while that's loading up on Microsoft's site, you can actually see the PowerShell command right here. So we'll just copy that. You can also, again, use the Azure CLI, Portal, Python, etc. But we'll be using PowerShell for this one. So go ahead and hit that copy, or you can just go ahead and follow along. And we'll be deleting actually a resource group called, let's see, test 3 group. This one right here we'll be deleting. So let's bring that back up. We'll just copy and paste the prompt, and as you guys can see, remove -AZ for Azure resource group, and then we'll go ahead and type in the name test 3 group that we're gonna want to delete for our resource. Then hit enter, and then it'll ask you to confirm why. The default is Y, but you can put yes or no, or Y and N. We'll put yes, and it will do it as loading. All right, and then after it's done loading, take maybe about a minute or so, you should get I guess like a confirmation. This one says true. Cool. We're able to type again on here. So again, if it looks like it's frozen, it's not frozen. Sometimes it may take a minute or two, and then we'll go ahead and check it. Right now, we do see the test 3 group is here, but we'll just do a hard refresh, and then voila, we don't see test 3 group. So yeah, that's 2 quick ways you can delete a resource group in Azure.